click to start, and then setting, app setting, then click to install app, then find out the Chrome browser, and then click on three dot and then uninstall. Click to yes. Close it. Now guys, Chrome browser is removed. Then open the Microsoft Edge. Then search Google, google.com. Then type the Chrome download. First link to click. Okay. Windows 11. Now download. Wait few seconds. This is installing. Download. Now it is completed. Then click to yes. Now this is downloading and installed. You can close this. Wait few seconds. Now it is created, and then close it. Then click to start, type cmd, then right click to run as administrator, then click yes, then type chkdsk space / scan. Okay, then next sfc space / scan now, and then hit enter. Okay, then guys close it and then restart your system, and then please check your Chrome browser is working slow or not. Please check, but restart is mandatory. Okay, thank you.